The Air Jordan 5 El Grito will release in the fall of 2024 as part of Jordan Brand's celebration of Mexican history. This release pays tribute to Mexico's rich cultural heritage. Drawing inspiration from Father Miguel Hidalgo's famous El Grito de Dolores, which was issued on September 16, 1810, as a call to action, this CD honors Mexico's struggle for independence while highlighting its rich cultural diversity via mysticism and customs. There will be 2 colorways available. One blends dark pony, pink green, sail, and coconut milk. Diffused Taupe, dark pony, sail, and apple green are the additional features. El Grito is honored in both Air Jordan 5 variants with distinctive design components. The laser-cut leather and debossing, which were influenced by ornate Mexican architecture, are particularly striking details.